No, today I'm showing you this. As the fence around it, it is live right this minute. It's best to switch it off. But this switches up the transformer, but this is still live. So you get all the ceramics in it. This telephone one, cap. This one's still alive. Those two there. So the bottom one will be dead. The top one. See? It's all copper. There's electric running through that right now, so there's copper. Look at that one. Nice colour, nice shape. There's one there as well. This is 230 volts. These two little, so these two here is 230. This one's about 2,000, or about 1,000 volts in this. In this one here, but that's 230. And if the 230 volt wire touches the touches the 230, makes a hell of a bang. Because that happened last night. Look. This day that happened. Same as this, as well as a fence around it. There's rules in this garden. Do not go behind the fence. Because that'll kill you. Got the telephone caps, and the whole point of the cap. Give it a twist. Wait, is that neutral live? That's live. Let's go into there. The cap won't come undone, but see, it goes in there. The wire goes in there, connects all up. Excuse me, mate. Oh yeah, I know, hard to get up. See the cap covers up this. See, covers up this. See the wire comes in and comes out there. That's the L point, so it connects up. The red wire does the same, but that's neutral, so I can still get a shock from the neutral. It goes underground. The wire goes here, goes in the bush. Here's your neutral. No live. So this is live. I don't know why it's blue. It should be brown, but that bit there is still alive. This is dead, and there's a fuse in the middle of this. That fuse is a few thousand down to 230. So it looked like it's copper there, but actually it goes in. And there's a lot of white fuse that is lead. See? All these ceramic pieces. Yeah. This is German. I think it's German. I don't know what this one means. You see there? It's a nice shape. Yeah, I had to cut that away from there. Anyway, put the cap back on. Don't any damages, because if a bird comes and sits on the cap and it puts its leg in there and touches this, so if the bird lands in there and touches this, the bird will be dead. It's about 230 volts, 400, I don't know. Running through it. Tighten the cap on so it don't fall off. So the electric cannot go through this ceramic. I'll show you it now. So this is live, so the electric cannot go there to here because the ceramic, well, I'll show you here. So the wire goes around here, And the electric cannot go through the ceramic bit. So this is ceramic, you know, the same as your plate or something like that. So it's the same as that. And it's ceramic, once again. Because mainly all of this is live, like, this red wire's live, and you can touch it. You can touch this side. But this side, you'll be shocked if you touch this side. This side's fine. But yeah. See, you got the Bakelite one. There's elastic in there. And it would work the same. So the copper or aluminium wire would come through that hole, connect up in there. And you got the cap that screws on. This one also has a cap. And all the telephone ones have a date on. Well, the white ones do, the black one doesn't. I'll show you right now. Can't see. No, so there's not a date on that one, but there's a date on this one. I'll find it if... Here, look. I don't know if you can... It's 1964, as you can see there. I don't know if you can see that, but that's 1964. This one's about the same. Right, I've got a feel. There. Oh, I don't know the date of that one. I suppose it's about the same. About 19. It's about there, isn't it? Yeah. I suppose that one's 1964, 1960, I don't know. But the white ones always have a date on. The ones with the cap always has a date on. This one does have a date on. I don't know how old it is, wait a minute. 1959. This one, that's how old that one is. This one's 1960, that one's 1964. I don't know about that one. Because I don't really look at the stamps really. I mean, the first ones I did, I was like, wow. But these are English. Right, there's a date on that one. I'll show you it now. Come out here. $19.53. And that was Is that 8 or 9? 1948. You got 1948. 1953. So this one's older than this one. This one doesn't have a date. This one. 1981. That one. So the wire there, so that wire there is about 1,000 volts. This one's 230. That's why you see these ceramics are more bigger. Because if it was 400 volts like this one, if it was 230 volts, I wouldn't need the giant insulators like that. But because it's quite high voltage, you need the big ones. Because if you use a small one like this for up there, the electric could arc around it. So I use the bigger ones like this. And there we have it. And this you can touch. This is asbestos. I believe it's asbestos. And the electric cannot, you see the spark. So I see the sunshine there, and that transformer was there first, but I moved it. It was sitting there on the lead. But I can hear the transformer. And, oh no, I've missed one. It's very unusual to see this, but look, here, look. Don't even see that. Get close, I can't get too close. See that circle thing? That's 1951. That brown disc. So that circle one there, that's from 1951. That circle. That one there. So this is live. This here. About 1,000. Well, it isn't live now because the switch is moved, but there's still electricity in it, so you'd still get shocked. This one's from the 1960s. So the brown ones are mainly from the 1960s. You've got the glass ones. Just pile them on top of each other. And yeah, all the brown. They're all ceramic, apart from this one. This is a Bakelite. But I know one of the ceramics popped yesterday. One of these, I don't know if you recognise that. It popped, so I had to break it off. It was stuck. So the high voltage wire touched the low voltage wire, and this had a crack in it, but I didn't realise that. So there was a crack going right down it, and when that wire touched the high voltage wire, it made the one up there fall apart because it was cracked. See, it's falling apart and broken. As you can see, yes, that's right. This isn't ceramic, it's more of a clay. You see even the colour of it. So this was up there and it just big bang. So this here is one of these. I'm going to switch that back on now. Now, over here. So that telephone one that explodes is over here. The black wire. This is the wire that goes to there. It goes all through the bush. Still quite a few there. It's wired a lot differently than you'd expect, but and this is clay. Copper. It's all copper now. So these two wires, copper. There's a new drain cover. Still in there. Get a good look at it. Sunshine now, but it's gone more darker. Copper. There's a lot. No, it isn't. See?